महामहिम राष्ट्राध्यक्ष तथा सरकार प्रमुखहरू, भद्र महिला तथा सज्जनवृन्द, विश्वव्यापी खोप सम्मेलनको
Your Excellencies, heads of state and government, ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate and thank Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Boris Johnson, for taking this timely initiative to organize the Global Vaccine Summit.
खोपको अनुसन्धान, विकास र वितरणका माध्यमबाट स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्रको सुदृढीकरणमा खोप सम्बन्धी
I appreciate the contribution of Gavi in the health sector through research, development and distribution of vaccines.
स्वास्थ्य सम्बन्धी दिगो विकासका लक्ष्यहरू प्राप्तिका लागि विकास
I hope developing countries' partnership with Gavi will be significant in achieving health-related sustainable development goals.
विश्वमा खोपले
Immunization has saved the lives of millions in the world. Child mortality rate has declined significantly. However, we still confront with myriads of challenges. A large segment of the population still does not have access to vaccine.
कायमै छन्। अहिलेसम्म पनि ठूलो जनसङ्ख्या खोपको पहुँचबाट वञ्चित रहेको छ। अति कम विकसित मुलुकहरूमा
Vaccination service remains ineffective in many least developed countries. Despite this, scientists have been making significant contribution by inventing life-saving vaccines.
आविष्कार गरेर मानव जीवन रक्षाका लागि महत्त्वपूर्ण योगदान पुर्याइरहेका छन्। अहिले पनि
Even today, they are engaged relentlessly in research for the development of vaccine against COVID-19.
विकासमा अहोरात्र अनुसन्धानमा खटिरहेका छन्। यस लक्ष्यमा
I extend my best wishes for the success of this mission at the earliest.
यस सन्दर्भमा
In the present context, the theme of this discussion, Level the Vaccine Playing Field, ensuring equitable access to COVID-19 vaccine, stands highly relevant. Nepal attaches high priority to vaccination and remains committed to providing equitable access to all basic immunization.
पुर्याउन प्रतिबद्ध रहेको छ। सफल खोप कार्यक्रमकै कारण
Due to the successful immunization program, coverage of vaccination in Nepal is over 90% of the population. Gavi has made significant contribution for the development of vaccine and protection of human lives.
गर्ने विश्वव्यापी अभियानलाई कोभिड-19 को महामारीले
The COVID-19 pandemic has presented additional challenges to the global campaign for the development of vaccine. It becomes equally important to ensure equitable access to vaccine as the global pandemic is posing threat to humanity.
त्यत्तिकै जरुरी छ। हाम्रा साझा प्रयास
We should combine efforts and multiply cooperation to ensure that no one is left behind in health services.
पछि नपर्ने स्थिति कायम गर्नु पर्दछ। यस सन्दर्भमा
Through this platform, I call upon the entire international community, including international financial institutions, development partners, philanthropists, and business community to come forward with renewed commitments in support of the initiatives of Gavi.
अगाडि बढ्न आह्वान गर्दछु। विश्व मानव जगतको साझा
Nepal's commitment and solidarity will continue to be there in all global initiatives for shared happiness and well-being.
र ऐक्यबद्धता निरन्तर रहिरहनेछ। महामारीको
I wish for good health of all in the midst of this pandemic.
कामना गर्दछु। अन्तमा यस सम्मेलनको निर्धारित उद्देश्य हासिल
In closing, I wish for the success of the summit in achieving its objectives. I thank you.